Failure isn't the opposite of success. It is part of success. There is no successful person who did not fail repeatedly. But there is one difference. Successful people use failure as fuel. Others use failure as an excuse to stop. This chapter will teach you how to transform failure into power. Lesson number 1. Failure is feedback, not a final destination. Most people see failure as the end, but successful people see failure as information. Failure tells you what to improve, what to adjust, what to avoid, what to strengthen, what to learn. Failure teaches you something success never can: how to grow. Lesson number 2. Failure happens to everyone, not just you. People often think, why me? Why does everything go wrong for me? But the truth is, everyone fails. Everyone experiences setbacks. Everyone faces moments of doubt. The difference is how they respond afterwards. Some people stay down. Some people rise. You get to choose. Lesson number 3. Don't take failure personally. Failure does not mean you are not smart, you are not capable, you are not worthy, you are not talented, you are not enough. Failure simply means something didn't work. This time, it says nothing about your potential. It says nothing about your future. It says nothing about your ability to improve. Separate the event from your identity. You failed at something, but you are not a failure. Lesson number 4. Adjust quickly. Don't quit slowly. Most people quit slowly. They delay. They avoid. They reduce effort. They lose belief little by little. Winners adjust quickly. When something fails, they ask, what should I change? What should I try next? What can I do better? They pivot. They don't pause. Lesson number 5. Failure builds resilience, and resilience builds wealth. Wealth requires resilience. Investing requires resilience. Starting a business requires resilience. Learning new skills requires resilience. Creating opportunities requires resilience. Every setback makes you stronger. Every disappointment makes you wiser. Every failure makes you more prepared. By the time you succeed, you will be unstoppable. Lesson number 6. Your breakthrough comes after your worst struggle. There is a pattern in success. Your biggest breakthrough often comes right after your most painful setback, because that is when your character grows, your perspective sharpens, your determination strengthens, your creativity expands, your excuses disappear. Your lowest moment is often the turning point. Don't walk away right before everything changes. Lesson number 7. Turn emotional pain into motivation. Pain can destroy you or drive you. Let it drive you. Let it sharpen you. Let it elevate you. Say to yourself, this is not how my story ends, because it isn't. Failure is not your enemy. Inaction is you can recover from failure. You can recover from mistakes. You can recover from setbacks. But you cannot recover from doing nothing. Action keeps you alive. Action keeps you moving. Action keeps you growing. Success belongs to the one who keeps trying.